In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pipedrive as CRM. We're going to walk through a simple, repeatable flow you can use every time you add a new opportunity, so you can keep your pipeline clean without a lot of extra clicks or confusion. First, start from your main pipeline view in Pipedrive. This is the screen where you see all your deals laid out in columns, usually from left to right, representing each stage of your sales process. To create a new opportunity, look toward the top left of this view and click the green Add Deal or Plus Deal button. This is your starting point for getting anything into the system. When the pop-up window appears, you'll enter the key details of the deal. Start by typing the person's name, then add the company name associated with that person. Finally, enter the value of the deal, which is usually the potential revenue if it closes successfully. Keeping these three fields accurate will make your reporting and forecasting much more reliable later on, so take a second to double-check spelling and numbers. Once those fields look good, click the green Save button. As soon as you do, Pipedrive will drop that deal into the first stage of your pipeline. At this point, the deal exists, but it doesn't yet have a clear next action, and that's where many pipelines start to get messy. To avoid that, immediately set a next step. On the deal card you just created, look for a yellow hazard icon or a gray clock icon. Click that icon and choose Schedule an Activity. This tells Pipedrive what you're planning to do next, so the deal doesn't just sit there untouched. In the Activity window, pick the type of activity you're going to complete. For example, choose a call if you plan to phone the prospect, or select Email if your next move is to send a message. Set the date and time, and then click Save. This makes sure the deal is tied to a concrete action and a deadline, which helps you stay on top of follow-ups. As you work the opportunity, you'll move it through your pipeline stages. Simply click and drag the deal card into the next column as you complete each step in your sales process. This visual movement helps you instantly see where every deal stands. Finally, when the outcome is clear, close the deal. Drag the card down to the won area if the sale was successful, or to the lost area if it didn't go through. This keeps your active pipeline focused only on deals that still need your attention.